Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. How are you? Testing out the new camera, the Fuji X-M5 for my newest unboxing, which I've been waiting a long time. And this is the new Peak Design Roller Pro. This was a Kickstarter thing. I went ahead and invested in it. What should have taken maybe 5 to 6 months took a lot longer than that. But I got it before Christmas. That's the only thing that matters. So with that, we'll go ahead and do the unboxing. I've already cut the box open. However, I didn't pull it out yet. So with that, let's go ahead and take it out. So again, I'm using my new Fuji X-M5. And hopefully the video is just as good as anything else that I'm doing right now. So with that, the first thing I notice is a lot of bag. So let's undo the bag. So this is the back portion of the bag itself. The trolley handle. Trolley handle is unique because this one you have to open up, push the button and unlock it. And as you notice, probably can't tell it from this angle, but look how thin that is. Interesting. And again, this carbon fiber, I'm not really sure how it works with the locking piece. Also, it has the plate on the back so that you don't scuff it up. The wheels are really unique. Each one is individual. Very nice. With that, let's go to the side. Nothing major on that. It does have the connections right here so you could actually hang off something, and I believe those straps are inside there. I believe this is so you can expand it. Carrying strap right here. And let's go to the opposite side. Hyper long strap where I guess this is your luggage tag where you write your information down. Again, 2 more lashing connection points right here. And the carrying strap. And then on the top side, which will be hard to see for this, let's see if we can pick it up here. And then you have the trolley connector right here. And then also the inside portion right here. And I'm going to go ahead and start with that. So the very first side you have, and this allows you to open it up. But there's one more. Oh. And so this is something unique that we haven't seen before with Peak Design, which is it has like a zipper guard, so that if you're not using it, you can park it in here, which is a pain in the ass to get out. Not as bad as I thought it would be. And now you can get into it. And now I'll go ahead and I'll open it up first. So as you can see, it basically flaps open, and it's got a place for you to put your laptop. A place to put your tablet also. Let's make sure. No, just laptop in here. I don't think there's a tablet space. But it does have a parking area, which let me go ahead and close this out. So you can go ahead and put devices inside here. Again, new camera, testing it out. It also has a device for your keys. Very interesting. All right, now we'll lay it down, which is probably better for y'all. And it opens up like, how do I use the word? Like a drawbridge. And then, of course, inside it, surprise, I have the extra large camera cube for this. And the rationale for why I did this was, again, I'm going to be traveling later on this month, or actually next month. And I'm going to do about 11 days in the U.S. A couple things that you have this strap right here, which keeps it from falling all the way down. It can be removed if you want to. It just clicks off. Although I'll probably keep it on. And it's adjustable by moving this in or out, depending on what you're trying to do. Make sure it's right. Yeah, right there. You can pull in on it or push it on like that. So it can open up more. Okay. Can't have no tension on it. And then also it has the ability to, through this portion right here, to connect. Oh, like so. So you can actually ratchet stuff down if you want to keep it from moving. And then on the back side, it has the ability to do 3 different areas here. And these are the straps I was talking about outside. And basically you would use this to maybe mount your tripod, maybe umbrella, depending on how you're traveling. One more here. And then of course you have this area that you can unzip, and it gives an area to put additional items in. To include, it has the ability to, here is tied down. Yep. And if I remember correctly, it has a place to store additional items here. So this is, again, the Peak Design Roller Pro, the newest that's been made available through Peak Design. Been waiting for this for a long time. I'm finally glad it's here. It took forever to get here due to when you ship things overseas, sometimes they can either go by plane, or if people are a little bit, they don't watch what they're doing, they could suggest surface ship, which of course takes up to 2 months. And I think this is what happened on this one. So again, Peak Design Roller Pro. I'm liking what I see. I'll be testing it out in about 11 days, and then I'll get you some feedback when I get back. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please like, follow, and subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.